Growing plants. In this chapter, you will learn about the importance of plants, growth of plants from seeds, roots, stems, leaves and spores, and about agriculture. As you all know, plants are very important to us. We get almost all things from plants. Let us see the various methods by which plants grow. Growing plants from seeds. Structure of a bean seed. Most of the plants grow from seeds. A seed will produce a baby plant or a seedling if it gets the right amount of water, air and warmth. During the early stages of germination, a seedling gets the food required for its growth from the cotyledons. After it develops roots, it obtains water and nutrients from soil. Plants need to disperse their seeds so that they do not grow too close to one another. The process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling is called germination. The process by which the seeds are scattered away from the plant that produces them is called dispersal. Dispersal happens in several ways. Dispersal by wind, dispersal by animals, dispersal by water, and dispersal by explosion. Dispersal by wind. Seeds of certain plants like cotton are very light and have wings or hair on them. These seeds are easily carried away by wind. Dispersal by animals. Animals eat some fruits and throw away the seeds which grow into new plants. Dispersal by water. Seeds of some plants such as the lotus and coconut are spongy. This helps them to float in the water. Water transports these seeds from one place to another. Dispersal by explosion. Fruits of certain plants such as poppy, pea and bean burst open when they are ripe and scatter the seeds in all directions. This mechanism of seed dispersal is called explosion. Growing plants from roots, stems, and leaves. Plants are fascinating. They can grow not only from seeds, but also with the help of their roots, stems, and leaves. Roots that can grow into new plants are carrot and dahlia. Stems that can grow into new plants are potato and onion. Leaves that can grow into new plants are bryophyllum. Growing plants from spores. Some plants do not have any seeds. They grow with the help of tiny structures called spores. Examples are fungi and ferns. Agriculture. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. The plants of the same kind that are grown at a particular area or region at a particular time are called crops. Crops need protection from birds, insects, rats, etc. before and after harvesting. Crops are sprayed with chemicals called pesticides to protect them from insects and other harmful animals. In hilly areas, people grow crops by cutting steps in the mountains. This is known as step farming. Examples of such crop is tea. Some crops are grown in different seasons. Crops grown between June to October are called Kharif crop. Examples are rice and maize. Crops that are grown between November and April are called Rabi crops. Wheat is an example of Rabi crop.